Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning Corey's been at me to do a burnout with my car and whatnot. I'm not really into burnouts that much, so I had another young fella that wanted to try it, so we give him the opportunity to hop in and give her a whirl. So you'll see the results coming up later on in the video.
Yeah, he let one of our subscribers drive his car. But I haven't actually seen the footage yet, but I think it hopefully turned out pretty good. Anyway,
that's what you got to look forward to. If you're a real loyal subscriber, we might consider you to do one in the future.
Anything you want to add to that?
Just to give you a heads up, I mentioned in one of the earlier videos that I had ordered some headers and an X pipe for my car, but they was on back order, so I finally got worried about losing my money, so I canceled the order. But anyway, I found out a week ago that they had them in stock again, so I ordered them. They're supposed to be en route. They should be here sometime this week, I hope. So we'll probably have some future videos of installing them on the car and see what they sound like after we get them installed.
Yes, sir. That it?
Yeah, I guess so.
That's it, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.